So remember, only need two things to make it in this game. You need the right strategy, risk management, and the right broker. So three things. All right, let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, so now it's finally Friday. As you can see, excuse my dirty screen there, but it's whatever. It's a Friday. We're looking at NAS 100. I've been showing you my trades in the beginning of this video. So just to clarify the trades, we entered 3 trades so far. We funded we're funding small accounts only. We funded 1,000 rand and we made 1,000 on Tuesday. We entered on Wednesday. We funded 900 and then we made 924. We drew 1,008. And then yesterday was just Thursday. We funded 1,000 rand and then we made 1,700 rand. So even though my targets for every day is 100%, sometimes, you know, the market will just keep moving and then you'll just make a little bit extra than what you initially targeted. And you can see my deposits and my withdrawals. Can this thing just focus now so I can show you guys? So the first trade that we entered, as you can see here, it was a It was a NAS 100 buy, which is this buy that you're seeing there. And then after that we entered, we made a withdrawal, we entered, and then we sold here, as you can see. So if we go to the next thing, you can see that we sold. It might look like a small movement, you understand? It might look like a small movement compared to the whole picture, which it is, but I'm only targeting for doubling an account. I'm not trying to be greedy. And then yesterday was the other trade that we entered, another sell, right? We entered another sell there, which is the sell that you're seeing here, right? We entered the sell. So I'm going to explain to you guys how I managed to get this trade. And today we're finally going to enter. I don't know what we're going to enter, but I'm going to update. Yeah, guys, so as you know, ATFX is the broker. That's the broker that I'm using. You guys know I wouldn't recommend a broker to you guys if I myself am not using that broker. So yeah, we've been through a lot as far as the scam broker series goes. We have 2 brokers down so far. And anybody who's going through similar situations, just hit me up. I'm saying, but today we're not about that. We're about celebrations today. So yeah, guys, I think what I was aiming for this week with this content is to show you guys that it doesn't really matter how it doesn't really matter the account size. You understand? As long as you got the right strategy and you know how to manage your risk properly, I don't think it really matters how much you come with. You understand? As long as you're willing to be patient. I mean, obviously, with this account size with 1,000 rand, other people would be considering, you know what, let me just like go full margin and stuff like that. Really, like, as much as you're trying to maximize your profits, I understand it, but damn, sometimes, dog, you might just blow that account, and I'm saying it's your last 1,000 rand. So I just trying to put myself in the shoes of someone who's a beginner, who's learning, who's trying to start out this journey. So I'm gonna try to guide you in the best way that I feel like I would have appreciated in my times. So a request for withdrawal has been sent. So as you can see, the withdrawal process is very stress-free, né? And what you're gonna need to do is just send confirmation documents for the first withdrawal. Obviously, it happens with every broker. So guys, as you can see, this is the withdrawal request that I just sent, right? I just sent this withdrawal request 1322, right? And just check this out. 1326. So literally 4 minutes later, your withdrawal is approved. 2,700 has been withdrawn from your wallet, aka big racks. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. That's what's up. If you come back to my terminal here, as you can see, the balance is already 0, 0, 0, 0. The money should be reflecting to my account anytime now, because I'm saying South African broker vibes, you know the vibes. So okay, so right now I want to show you guys what's up, how I'm looking at the markets and what I think might just transpire out of here. Let me get a clean chart in the building. So yesterday, let's look at yesterday. This was the market, right? So guys, just a little quick disclaimer. My trades is price action, SMC, and ICT stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you getting lost here, I just try to keep up here. You know what I'm saying? But it shouldn't really be that tricky. Let's see my history. So this is where I entered the trade here. Let me just draw up an arrow. My trade was here, right? Sell. That's where I traded. So as you can see, so the market opened there, which is why I have this line. The market opened there, went to make this high, and it went down, came back to test this zone, as you can see. So the market never really made its way back up here, up until here, right? So now the market kept making what? Lower lows. So we had this low, right? And before that we had this low. So the market opened, went to make a high, came to this low, came to make a lower low. At the same time, the highs are getting lower, right? Came to make another low, and then another lower high, and then another low. I know, guys, this is boring because you guys know about trends, right? But thing is, everything really comes full circle. You gotta mix. You gotta use every, like, what can I say? Everything is involved with everything. And what I'm trying to say with that is, price action is, even if you're trading SMC or whatever, price action is still as important as it was when you started this journey. So trends are still even as important as they was. You understand? So market came to make a lower low, another lower high there, and then now our low started getting higher and higher. These two were getting higher, and we were approaching New York session, right? So in a very simple US manner, right? US session, we had a fair value gap here, right? Other people call it market imbalance or gaps or whatever, but yeah, we can call it a fair value gap. We had a fair value gap here. The market came to slightly wick, but it didn't really go inside, right? Which is why I didn't take the trade then, because it didn't really go inside up until here now, when we got this candle to wick inside and up. And other people would say this is an order block right there. You understand? Order block right there. So a fair value gap being so close to an order block is, you know what I'm saying, it's like a perfect as signal. So I knew that it's time to go for sales right there. So bam, went for a sell. And then there was another trade that I entered, which was this one. Now you see this one. So with this one, the market kind of, damn, I've been on a winning streak. Damn, the boy is hot, man. Look at this buy. So with this buy, yeah, let me just explain, because this was Tuesday. I started trading on Tuesday. So the market opened there. The market opened there. I'm sure my face is all over this thing, so I'm gonna just move it. You know what I'm saying? So the market opened there, went to make a high, right? Went to make a high, and then went to make a low. So we had this low right there. We had this low. You know what I'm saying? We had this low. So the market, we know the price is isolated in between the high, the low of the day, and the high of the day. So the market was making lower highs and lower lows. As you can see, it was kind of like, it reminds me back in the day when we used to, draw our AI. No, it's not this one. It's not this one. Yeah, I'm saying. So as you can see, the market was in a downtrend here, lower lows and lower highs, came to make a low, and then it came to make a high, right? Came to make a high, and as New York session was approaching, I remember there was a gap that I was looking at. Which was here. Another fair value gap. So the market came to test this one. And you know what I'm saying? When it comes to this thing of trading gaps, you gotta remember that the market won't just test the gap only once. It can test the gap any number of times that the market wants to really do its thing. It can show you that it really is the market for real. As you can see, it tested here 1, 2, 3, 4 times, but it kept bouncing every time it came to the thing. So it came to the gap the first time, and that's how I caught my buy. I was really targeting at the previous high, as you can see, which is why I had this this kind of like resistance zone that I had here. So I was really targeting for the price to dip inside again, taking out the previous we can call this the liquidity. So every time the market came to take out a high, liquidity was being taken from that zone. You know what I'm saying? So when the market came to spike, you see this candlestick, ne? This spike right there, I know it's a sweep right there. So I had to leave. I had to pack all my things, take my money, and run away, because I know it's a sweep. So a sweep is usually followed by movement in the opposite direction. So that's why I'm saying you can see exactly where the market started dropping. That's where I was closing my trade. It's because I saw it's a sweep. You know what I'm saying? It did the same thing again, went to make a sweep, another sweep again, and then you see what happens after the market comes down crashing. So hey man, I just kind of avoid those ones. With this trade now, same thing was happening. We were approaching NY session, but from where the market opened, I didn't have enough structure. As you can see, the market just opened there. This thing I have here is just a gap. I'm saying the market opened with a gap, so I'm highlighting this this zone here, because I feel like eventually the price is going to come and fill up this gap. I'm saying the price is going to come and fill it up. That's what she said. Sharp. So the price kept pushing down, right? Wait, hold up. Let me fix my lines real quick, chat. Let me fix my lines. So this is the low, right? And the market kind of opened, the market opened there, right? Went to make a low, came back, but this remained the high. Came back to test, and then the price just started selling. You know what I'm saying? So in a similar manner, we also had kind of a downtrend nyana there. You know what I'm saying? Here. Do you dig what I'm saying? No. Do you understand what I'm saying? Right? But now this was in NY session, New York session. I usually trade only in New York session, so anything else, guys, is just a waste of my time. London session too sometimes is late. London session can be late sometimes. Yeah. But cool. Let me remove this real quick so you guys I can show you what I saw with this trade, right? And there was a gap. There was another fair value gap here that the market left. So in New York session, the price went to the closest gap that I saw, that I could see. I'm saying there was another gap obviously up there, but this one was the closest one. So when the market went to test there, you know what I'm saying, it was tea time. What the fuck is that? Yeah. So as you can see, the market opened there. It's not really visible in M5. That's why I highlighted it in M15. But as you can see, when the New York session, the price literally wants to bounce there, and I entered the same time. Zero drawdown, as you can see. Only like slight drawdown, but yeah. I was gonna close if the price closed above the zone, so I entered my sales there. I'm saying one candlestick was enough for me to double that account, which was like 1,000 or 900. I don't really remember, but yeah, as long as I went with my doubles, I was really fine after that. And I think we already talked about this one, how I managed to get this one. So I think in simple terms, what I'm trying to say to y'all is everything matters. You know what I'm saying? Everything matters. I'm still using everything that I've learned from price action, everything that I've learned, money concepts, smart money concepts. I mean, everything I know about ICT that I apply on my own strategy. Everything just kind of comes full circle. So I advise you to do this real quick. Fund your account with $400, and I'm saying if you want to stand a chance to win 100 bands, go to my Telegram. In fact, join my Telegram. We're giving out signals, dog. Look what's going on in my Telegram, literally, like in real time, HD. You know what I'm saying? Giving out a lot of signals. People are chowing. People are eating. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this shit to 6,000 subscribers. I'll do a giveaway at 6,000 subscribers. Bet on that. I'm gonna do a giveaway 6,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So guys, what I wanted to tell you guys about is ATFX. There's a lucky draw. If you fund your account with 400 rands or more, stand a chance to win 100k. They're gonna do it at about August or something. When is the draw? Draw on September 6th. Yeah. So I'm saying if you want to make a quick little 100 bands, but use my knowledge, my mentorship. If you want to make money with this day, I'm saying, yeah, they're gonna pay out your withdrawals and all that shit. So it's your boy Vussy Max. I'm back with another video. This video, believe it or not, it took the whole week to make. So I'm saying, it is what it is. So the boy is back in the building. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the weekend. I'm saying, don't do anything I wouldn't do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.